What's up, guys? Welcome to my video. This video is going to be for how to get Safemoon, and it's pretty easy if you understand it. Don't make it too complicated, okay? So I'm going to show you how to get Safemoon step by step, okay? So you want to go to crypto.com if you haven't make one yet. I'll put the link on the description. Okay, so what you want to do is buy BNB. Okay, you want to buy BNB. Go to buy BNB and make sure that it's more than 2 0. So everybody usually do 3. So it's 0.03. Okay, hold on. Let's make it like this. At least 0.30, so that's the cost of the BNB. It will be different for everybody, so just make sure it's 0.30. And then once you own BNB, okay, so I got BNB over here, right? Okay, so I'm gonna show you that I own BNB. Okay, so this is how much BNB I got. Okay, so once you have BNB, what you want to do is go to the Trust Wallet. Okay, so you gotta download this on the Play Store. For Apple, it will be the App Store. Okay, so what you want to do, okay, what you want to do is you want to go to BNB. Okay, click on copy. So you want to copy the address. Okay, just click it a few times and then go back to the crypto wallet. Okay, so when you go back to the crypto wallet, you click on transfer and then withdraw, and then you click over here. Okay, no, you click over here, the crypto, yeah, crypto in this section, and then external wallet. Okay, and then click on the plus, and then you click on Binance Coin BNB. Okay, now what you want to do is paste, you want to paste it, the address wallet, and then go to the trust wallet over here, type trust wallet, and then you could uncheck that. Now once you do that, you want to continue, then press OK. Now you're gonna get an email. Okay, so open your email, and now you will see withdraw submit. Okay, so I'll go to my email and I have to confirm this so it will go through officially. Okay, it's not, where's my email? Confirm. Okay, 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 so go back to your crypto wallet to make sure if it went through. So it did say completed. That's good. Complete. Okay, I want to go to my trust. So just keep refreshing. I don't see it. So it's going to take a while. I don't know how long. So let's be right back, okay? So once you get the email, what you want to do is go to the crypto wallet, okay? You go to the crypto wallet and then you go to transfer. And then when you go to transfer, okay, withdraw, crypto, external wallet. So this is where you want to see it, right? You go over here and for me, I'm gonna max it out, okay? Put my note as trust wallet. And then I'm going to withdraw. And then this is how much I'm going to withdraw my BNB, and then it will transfer to my trust wallet. Okay, so hopefully it will transfer as soon as possible. So now what you want to do is go to your trust wallet and then make sure that your BNB from the crypto wallet is now in your trust wallet. So you can see that now I have BNB on my trust wallet, right? You can see over here. What you want to do is go to the DEX and then convert BNB to Smart Chain BNB 100%. So that's what I'm going to do and click on swap. So it's not letting me. And I'll be right back. If this is not highlighted, you want to go back and try 75%. And you will see that the number will decrease, and that's okay. Click on swap, and now you could see that it's highlighted, percent, and it should be successful. Now you could see that. What is next is go to the DApps, go to Pancake Swap, Pancake Swap, click on the link, and then go to the Ethereum icon, go to Ethereum icon and click on Smart Chain. And you'll be in this section and make sure it's connect, okay? It'll be like this. Now go to the three lines, trade, exchange, and then now you can see that I have the balance of 0.2535, and on the to section you want to click on Safemoon over here. You'll see it. So there's gonna be fees. Remember that there's gonna be fees. Continue, and then max, and then swap, and then confirm swap, and it's not going to work. So what you want to do is click on this lines over here by the clock, and let's make sure that the percentage is between 1 through 12. I want to start with 12 first and see what happens. Okay, 12 swap, and now it's going through. Now click on approve, close, exit from here, wallet. When you are in the wallet section, click on SafeMoon, and then there you go. My 14 million got updated to 29 million of SafeMoon. And there you go. That's how you get SafeMoon, guys. So thanks for watching. Once you are successful to get SafeMoon, hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe and press the notification bell. There will be videos that I'll be uploading, so make sure you stay tuned. And if you're having trouble to get SafeMoon, just let me know, comment below, and I'll help you, or just rewatch the video and do it carefully, step by step. Thank you for watching. Peace.